Welcome to the Canon Medical Academy. The Canon Medical Academy is to provide education from doctor to doctor. There are workshops in an intimate setting where you can learn directly from the experts.
I think it's great to have the Canon Medical Academy here at ECR, where radiologists can interact with the images, can look at examples of images that are current or what's coming in the near future, and while interacting with experts that are used to working with the Canon technologies to create and acquire these images and what they mean and what is coming.
This is the best hub where to meet the experts, to learn from those who are writing the papers, who are writing the guidelines, who are bringing the best practices, and to learn it on the equipment where you are used to work and you want to improve your performance back home.